Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is Sinhagad. Sinhagad is a hill forest located in around 49 kilometers southwest of the city of Pune, India. Some of the information available about the fort suggested that the fort called Cloud have been built 2000 years ago. The caves of the carvings in the Kandesleshwar temple stand as the proof of the same. The Sinhagad fort is the precisely known as the Kondhana. The fort had been the sites of many battles, most of notably the battles of the Sinhagad in 1670, purchased on the isolated shape of the Buleshwar range in the Sahyadri mountains. The forest is situated on the hill about 760 meters above ground and 1312 meters above the means of sea level. The Sinhagad Lions Fort was strictly built to provide natural protections due to its very steep slopes. The walls and bastions were constructed only the key place. There are two gates to enter the forts, the Kalyan Darwaja and Pune Darwaja. The position of southeast and the northeast ends. The fort was also strictly located at the center of the string of the others Maratha emperors fort, such as Rajgarh Fort, Purandar Fort, and Torna Fort. The Sinhagad fort was essentially known as Kondhana. After the stage Kaundania, the Kandereshwar temple, coupled with the caves and carvings, indicates that the fort had probably been built around 2000 years ago. Shahaji Bhosle, as the commander of the Ibrahim Adil Shah, was instructed with the control of the Pune region. His own Shivaji refused to accept the Adil Shah and initiated to task setting up Swarajya. Shivaji generated control of Kondhana in 1647 by convincing Siddhi Ambar, the Adil Shah Sardar who controlled the fort, that he is the son of the Shahaji Bhosle. Called the Cloud Manage is the forest defenses approximately. Bapuji Mudgal Deshpande played a key role in the activity. Adil Shah Jahangir Siddhi Amber for this transcendence act as the Sechems to get the black. He inspired Shahaji Bhosle for a concocted crime and the information of Shivaji. In 1649, Adil Shah traded the fort of the Shahaji release. The Shivaji recaptured it in 1656 again with the help of the Bapuji Mughal Deshpande, whose conclusion of the fort commander by giving land in newly created Khed Shivapur village and the peaceful gained control of the fort. This fort saw attacks the Mughals in 1662, 1663 and 1665. In 1664, Shaista Khan and Mughal general tried to prevail to the people to fort hand over it him the vote of unsuccessful. Thus, the threat of the Purandar, the fort passed into the hands of the Mughal army. Chief Mirza Raja Jaya Singh in the year 1665. In 1617, Shivaji recognized the fort for the third time through his Subedar Tanaji Malusare in Battle of Sinhagad, and the fort comes and the stay under in Maratha rule till 1689 AD. After the death, the Sambhaji is Mughal regenerated control the fort the Marathas handed by Sardar Balkavade. The recaptured in 1693, Raja Ram tried to assault his fort during Mughal raid on the Satara but didn't. The Sinhgarh fort in 3 March 17,000 AD. In 1703, Aurangzeb conquered in the fort. 1706, it once again went into the hand of the Marathas. Panaji, Shivadev, and Sangola, Visaji's chief, and the pensioner played the key role of the battle. The fort remained there under the Marathas' rule till the year 1818, after which the British congregated in the war. One of the most famous battles in Sinhgarh was fought by the Tanaji Malusare generated a Shivaji of the Maratha Empire order in recaptured in front of the March 1670. A step sweep leading on the fort was scaled in the Maratha Day. Knights with the helm terminated monitor realized name Yashwant Kolnikal known as the Ghorpade. Thereafter, the phrase battle ensued between the Tanaji and his men virtues of the Mughal army headed by the Udaybhan Singh Rathod and Rajput Sardar who had control of the fort. Tanaji Malusare lost his life, but his brother Suryaji took over the captured of Kondana fort, now known as Sinhgarh. There is uncontradicted that upon the hearing of Tanaji's death, Shivaji expressed his remorse with the word गड आला पण सिंह गेला. The fort is conquered but the lion was lost. According to some, the name Sinhgarh predates the events. The bus Tanaji Malusare was established on the fort of the memories of the contribution of the battle. The fort is popular weekend destinations for the many residents of Pune, including trekking enthusiasts with the access of the top of the front from the base of the Sinhgarh village. The trek involves in one-way walk of 2.7 km, the 1.6 miles, over which of the walker gains about the 600 meters, 1950 feet in the elevations. Part of the one's expectation fortifications are in rules. This fort houses of memorial to Tanaji as well as the tombs of Rajaram. A visitor can see the military stables of Berberi and the temples of the goddess Kali. Along with the Hanuman stable to the right sides of the temple as well as the historical gates, the original commemorative memories of the Tanaji Malusare has been unearthed by the resolutions works of the Sinhgarh fort in February 2019. The stone structure was found buried under the cement constructions and layer of the oil paints and is believed in around 350 years old. Sinhgarh fort has played vital roles in India's freedom struggles. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, also known as the father of the Indian Unionist, used the fort as a summer retreat. It is here where Mahatma Gandhi, after his return from the South Africa, had a historical meeting with the Tilak. The bungalow has his bust as the entrance. The training experience of the carried by the fort by created the National Defence Academy at Khadakwasla. Cadets of the academy are regular sent is hikes and run from NDA to Sinhgarh in full battle gear. Pune Mahanagar Parivahan Mahamandal Limited runs bus service from Shaniwarwada to Sinhgarh footwells as well as covered these taxis and etc. This is all about the today's topic Sinhgarh. Thank you.